Hey guys, we're back here with another video. Today what we are doing today, we're actually installing a radio in our 2005 Infiniti G35. As you can see, it has no radio. So we'll install this radio right now. And what we have to do, we have some screws on the back of this one Phillips screw. We're gonna take this molding off. You gotta be very careful when you're taking this stuff off, because the dashboards there, because the car is so old, they're very delicate. Get the molding off. So now we'll just move this section here. That you just pull it forward. Then you use this, try to get on the bottom of and that's how you get that up. Get this clip remover. Be very careful with the dashboard so you don't damage anything. Now you got a Phillips screwdriver, and there's a Phillips screw right here. With the center, with the right, the shifter, you just push this down. Then you use the clip remover. Then you pull this clip out. Make sure you don't lose it. You put it right back on here. And you put the clip back on there. See? Now, so what you'll do, use the same tool here, and we pull this upholstery, this trim up. And then what you want to do, you move it out of the way. Then you can start unscrewing this frame. Look like someone had a double din in here. We're not going to use that. We'll use back original screws. So they had a double din. And you got two screws right on the side. That's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna put our radio in. So let's go. And when you're going in, just be careful with the dash, with the radio bracket, so you don't damage anything. Get the words sitting low. Gotta go get a light so I can see what I'm doing.